What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our full replacement LED housing for your license plate lights on your 3rd gen Ram. Let's get into it.
Our LED license plate lights are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be 15 times brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple things to note before we get into the install. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2002 to 2008 Ram 1500 and 2003 to 2009 Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability, and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Our replacement LED license plate lights are an entire housing. It's a complete assembly. We're going to give you an entirely new lens, housing, and LEDs.
We're going to get started by removing the factory light. To do so, take a flathead screwdriver and push this bracket loose from around the housing. Once it's loose, remove it completely. Then push the housing through the bumper to remove it.
And what we're going to do now is we're going to unscrew the socket from the back, like that. We're going to take the bulb, pop it out. So you'll see on your replacement light that on the area where the socket sits in, you're going to have a R or an L. The right, or R, would be on the passenger side of the vehicle, where the L would be on the driver's side. So make sure you grab the right one for which side you're working on. So what you do is just take the new connector, plug it into the socket. Now once it's popped in, all you got to do is just feed the wires back into the housing, line up the socket with the new light, and then twist, lock it in place. And then you can go ahead and just pop it back in the bumper. We can go ahead and put that clip back on.
To install the new Boost Auto light, make sure to properly line up the alignment tab so the housing lays flush. Then slide the bracket back into place by slipping it between the housing and the bumper to lock the light in place. Now, repeat all the same steps on the driver's side.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. And if you think those license plate lights are bright and you want to see what else we have to offer for your truck, check out our website at boostauto.com. And for that, I'll see you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one, and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.